Exceptional 100 emoji, 100 emoji, 100 emoji, highly recommended. Few minutes walk from Restus, shopping area and attractions. My husband loved their breakfast, 100 emoji, 100 emoji, 100 emoji. Clean, spacious and very nice room. Helpful staff. Would def recommend this hotel. Great location, nice rooms, easy access with metro was my 6/7 time here and I can only recommend. Metro around the corner, yes X possibilities of restaurants, yes harbor in the near Ye shopping, yeah. Art Nouveau Hotel just off the Ramblas. We were staying here for just one night before joining a cruise. It was a stylish hotel just off the Ramblas. The staff were very helpful, and the location was ideal. Breakfast was well worth the extra €15 per person also. Best location, best staff. Amazing stay. We were a group of 3 friends booked the family room, after our business trip. The room was very well designed and the sofa bed was like a comfy proper bed. Staff were extremely nice, full of personalized service and hotel was gorgeous. Centrally located but off the grid of La Rambla. 2 minutes walk to the popular food market and just a great stay here. We'll definitely stay here next time. Smile. Excellent hotel. The hotel and staff were amazing and we will stay here again when visiting Barcelona in the future. Great location, awesome service, great staff. Tutto Automotive. A must-stay in Barcelona. Our stay here was amazing. It is a great hotel, beautiful on the inside and in walking distance to most attractions. The front desk staff were more than helpful. We were early to check in and they had a room ready for us. Highly recommend stay here. Exceptional. Very nice staff, breakfast, beautiful hotel. Liceo Theatre is near, in the next building, helps to find a hotel if you get lost in the streets of Barcelona. Historical Hotel. The hotel is nice and very near La Rambla. Staff were super helpful, especially Jordi. I will be back. Lovely place, we loved it. Great location, very cozy. Amazing AC. Clean. Great staff. Location is very convenient. Close to Mercat. Close to metro. Walls are thin. You'll hear everything. But I'd get any hotel that isn't like that. Perfect location. Nice hotel and perfect location. Clean. Minimalist with good service. Lovely barman at the terrace, really hard working and a nice person, small guy. Will def stay again. Clean, central and good priced. We only stayed for a couple nights but the hotel gave a very calm and relaxed atmosphere from the first to last moment. Very central hotel and clean rooms. Would stay again. Smile. Victoria from Canada. Such a beautiful and clean hotel. The staff is very friendly and helpful. The location is great, the metro is close to it, and it is situated right on Las Ramblas, which is the main street in Barcelona. Would definitely come back at his hotel. Best hotel near Ramblas and Boqueria. Great hotel, well located, very modern spaces, very attentive staff, rooms very comfortables and terrace with great ambience and caring bartenders. Anne and Andy. Beautiful hotel, gorgeous bathroom. Great location. Even better when you enter through the hospital street. Don't remember the name of the street, much more attractive entry that way. Exceptional 100 emoji, 100 emoji, 100 emoji, highly recommended. Few minutes walk from Restus, shopping area and attractions. My husband loved their breakfast, 100 emoji, 100 emoji, 100 emoji. Clean, spacious and very nice room. Helpful staff. Would def recommend this hotel.